When a customer calls in and asks for a solution for a problem or trying to solve a problem for them, they've usually exhausted all the easy ways to solve the problem. For example, New York Power. New York Power had a shaft inside one of their pump storage facility, and the shaft was damaged and they needed to replace the seal area on it. To solve their problem, if they had to start from scratch, they would have had to shut the facility down, disassemble the pumping station, take a 52-inch diameter shaft completely out of a dam, which would have been an almost impossible task. So we provided a unique machining system that was able to machine out the bad area, a welding system to re-weld the seal area and then remachine it back to original condition.
Tri-Tool's engineering department specializes in developing uniquely tailored solutions to our customers' toughest challenges. The initial proposal process through to project management, scheduling, detailed design efforts, testing, mock-up fabrication. We take the whole project as a large picture in making sure that we're meeting our customers' needs, that we stay within budget for a successful outcome.